Well, hello everyone. This is my mom. If you all remember her from one of my past videos. She came in town, and this is going to be her first time driving it in how many years? Did you ever drive this thing?
Yeah, back in...
Let's not.
Back in so-and-so
Yeah.
so-and-so years ago?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's go around the block. It does pull to the right when you brake, but that's just the drum brakes.
Hit the gas. Hit the gas. That's the brake. Push it. Push it.
There you go.
Push it really good.
Nice.
Yeah, it's push the button and pull it down. That second. There you go. Now just push all the way up the drive. There you go.
The brakes are touchy, so.
Yeah, it's very touchy brakes. You can just go around whatever block you feel like driving on. Tell some of your thoughts about it.
I like feeling the vibration under the seat. It's called power.
Like you said in the first Crank Up video, feel that power. It's actually a little bit easier since I've changed the throttle return spring. It was actually a little bit harder than it was than it is now. Compared to what it was, it's actually pretty good now. Still got a lot of work, but oh yeah, I haven't uploaded a picture video of it yet, but I found an old sun reflector. It's made of bubble wrap. I cut it and put it up on here on the roof to help reflect some of the heat, and it has helped greatly. And I imagine it's yeah, that metal's pretty hot, and this is fairly cool. You can go out, you can go whichever way you want, no matter. Whoa. Touchy brakes.
Yeah.
I think I can fix that. I just got to take the master cylinder off.
Brakes touchy, but the accelerator's harder to push.
It's compensating.
Yeah.
Hit it. For the first time driving, you got to take it easy. It does have a little bit of play, but it's not bad. Just remember when you hit the brake, it pulls right a little bit. Blinkers do work. Can't see the hood blinkers, but they work.
Yeah, she's sexy.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Go down to Donnie's and go on the bucket. If you don't feel like driving that far, it's fine.
You need to show her how to do what you showed me when I first drove it.
Just let her get comfortable with it first.
I didn't have to get comfortable. Y'all did it like the second time I stopped it.
Let her get comfortable. No, just let her get comfortable with it first. What do you want to do?
You gotta let him show you this.
Yeah, just like she just said, let her get comfortable with it first. Maybe next time you come down, I'll show you how to power. I'll let you power shift it.
It's freaking awesome.
And the speedometer is right too. I tested it with the GPS on my phone, and it is right. Got my niece back here in the back seat. You tearing that up?
No, she's missing the
Uh-huh.
seat.
What do you think?
Nice.
Definitely a big change from 5 years ago, huh?
Yeah.
5 years ago, it was sitting at my dad's shop under a tarp.
I was bragging to my friends about some new friends I have about you working on this thing.
it's right here.
Right?
Yeah.
Whiplash.
I couldn't remember the way.
That was it.
Yeah, I think that was it back there. I miss it every time. I miss it every time I go this way too.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, it is right here. So I did miss it.
Go past Eric's.
When you back at the house, just pull it in the driveway. You don't have to back it in.
Honk, honk, honk. There he is. Look.
Who?
Don't worry about it. He's messing with stuff.
Hit it going through the, just hit it up to 20.
Whoop.
Going through this. Go, good.
She's having fun with it, Nikki. Everybody drives it different.
It's like it's
Like a panther pouncing on his prey.
I'll show you those other videos when we get back to the house.
Time flies when you're having fun.
Definitely.
where did I do it?
Yeah, just pull in the driveway. I'll back it up later.
Are you applauding Mama?
Yay, Memo.
Let's save a little something for the followers on YouTube and Facebook.
Nice. This is nice.
Your first time driving this thing, and probably since the mid '80s, probably.
Yep. Nice.
All right, y'all enjoy. I'll see y'all next time.